Hi, today is the 19th of May, and let us look at the Nifty, what it has been doing. When we last um, analyzed the Nifty, it was on the 11th of May, and this was the point where we had made the analysis, where we had estimated that this was the end of wave 4 or the end of wave B, and a downtrend had started, where we had a impulsive downfall followed by a three-wave rise for a small wave 2 and a wave 3 down was going on. So let us see what happened after that. And during the same day, however, Nifty started to recover, and it recovered and it closed there. And the next day, it just shot up after the Prime Minister's announcement of a stimulus. So this threw a spanner in the works is what was happening to the wave count. But if you see, this was the high of that day, and the Nifty started to come down again. So once it started to do that, of course, all our stop losses were hit once we had this level of a closing beyond this. So as soon as it started to open, actually it started the next day opening much above this level. We had to close all our short positions at a loss. But after watching it for some time, we found that the Nifty came down the same day and then started to go down again. So after you analyze this price action, what do you see? This actually was a three-wave move. This was a three-wave move, and this was a fairly sharp move. And therefore, this was basically a flat correction. And wave 2 actually did not end here, but actually ended over here. So this proved to be a nice count where we have one and a flat for wave 2. And let us label the chart again. So this was the whole structure where we had a five-wave move down for wave 1 and a flat correction for wave 2. And as you can see, wave 2 retraced exactly 0.618 times wave 1, which is the standard retracement for wave 2s. And once this thing was established, we started to go short again on this price action. And Nifty started to consolidate. And as of yesterday, it fell. So up till this point, it was yesterday's price action. And we were looking for a five-wave decline for wave 3 to kick off. So we went into this close pretty much short on Friday. And market then opened up a little bit higher today and crashed. So we were pretty much certain that this is going to be moved to the downside, whatever the world markets would say at that time, and we were rewarded very well in today's trading for our short positions. And we obviously added to our short positions at the beginning of trade. And Nifty came down very, very nicely. It actually ended up at the lowest point of the day. So now what? So now you see we have another five-wave decline, which we thought at the close that this is the initial decline for wave 3 down. And therefore, our short positions are still standing today overnight. So that is about this preliminary analysis. But we always have to say and think as to is there anything else which is possible? Because as you know, all the world markets are pretty much very bullish today, and we have to consider alternate scenarios about what could happen. So let us see. Nifty is at a critical juncture where anything can happen. I will tell you why. So we have a three-wave move up, and as of now, you can see that this is a three-wave decline in the Nifty. So our leading hypothesis was that Nifty will continue to fall, and once it falls through this channel, it will continue to fall sharply in wave 3. But what are the alternatives? The alternatives is that this could be wave 1 of 3, this is wave 1 of 3, this is 2 of 3, and this is 3 of 3, and in 3 of 3 this could be the first of the third wave. There can be a bounce, and then the third of third can come down in earnest. So that is one possibility. So we can think that if we have a bounce tomorrow, this bounce can retrace about 0.618 times this wave and then come down sharply. So that original bearish count will continue. So that looks like one of the possibilities. What is the other possibility? The other possibility is a bullish possibility where this is a three-wave decline, A, B, and C, and then Nifty will take off to the upside for the next wave up. Therefore, this will convert to a WXY formation where we have a three-wave rise for W, a three-wave rise for X, and a three-wave rise for the Y. In that case, Nifty would should go beyond this high, which is 9891, to almost 10,000 levels to finish wave Y. And that will take maybe about 2 weeks or so to finish wave Y. So we are open to all possibilities here, where the bearish possibility implies a bounce and then a crash to newer lows. That is possible. Or a bullish possibility where if this channel line is taken out, then we are going up in wave Y, and this will be a three-wave move, a 535 kind of a formation. So this is where we stand with the Nifty, and tomorrow's trading and the day after is most likely to shed more light on this matter. Till then, we have to see what happens. So that is all for today. Thank you and bye bye.